Play Fest. This is where we tackle different sorts of hobbies that you might be into or that you might want to get into. And one hobby that a lot of people are really into, heavily into, but well, and really have much experience in is toy collecting. And I happen to be with Mr. Eric Cruz. He has all these Transformers toys. Now, you don't just collect Transformers toys.
Yeah, I basically collect a lot. So from Transformers, I go to G.I. Joe, to 70s and 80s Super Robots. I have Marvel and DC comic-related collectibles. If you watch Power Rangers, Kamen Riders, all those stuff.
How many items, more or less, do you have in your collection?
I'm not sure, but from what I know, from the 3 rooms that you mentioned, I have something like more or less 52 balikbayan boxes.
Wow.
Plus minus mga small boxes.
Wow, that is a huge collection. Now, you did mention that you've been doing this for a long time.
Yes,
When did you start?
I guess I've been a collector all my life. I started out with different collectibles. When I was in elementary, I started collecting comic books. So eventually, I migrated to toys, but still, I've been a comic book collector ever since. I still am up to now.
Now, let's talk about your Transformers collection. These are some of your limited edition pieces.
Some of these, like this one, was released in Kara Hobby in Japan last year.
This one right here.
Yeah.
This is Optimus Prime.
This is Optimus Prime. That Starscream, if you watch Transformers movie, this is the protoform version, meaning when they were entering the Earth, that's how they look like. And then this is a gold edition Bumblebee. Everybody loves Bumblebee.
I love Bumblebee.
I got the gold version of Bumblebee. This is also one of the limited editions in Japan.
So you do a lot of traveling just to find these special pieces.
Cybertron Philippines, the group that I'm into, has members all over the world, and they get all of these stuff for me.
Okay.
And in return, of course, I get their stuff here.
Yeah.
If they can't find it in their country right now. But I do travel a lot. Normally, I attend conventions in Japan or even in Hong Kong. We're gonna travel there this November for their toy convention. And that's the time that I do all of those shopping. The Cybertron Philippines basically is a collaboration of Transformers enthusiasts all over the Philippines. We have more than 1,500 members. Go to our message board, log on. The people there are really great. They will help you out. Just post whatever you need, and they